Stage Zainab Khan Hossein Khan for speech in English from 8th standard. Clap your hands.
Good morning everyone, respected principal, teacher and all my dear friends. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Zainab Khan. I am studying in 8th class. जहाँ मैं हिंद की गुलजारान जिंदाबाद, मेरा वतन मेरा हिंदुस्तान जिंदाबाद, भीगा हुआ मस्त मैं हूँ बुल वतन है, जागा हुआ हर बुलबुल शहीदाने चमन है. First of all, I wish you a very happy Independence Day, and I would like to thank you for all giving me this wonderful opportunity to speak about this proud day. India became independent from the British rule on 15 August 1947. Since then, every year we are celebrating Independence Day on 15 August. We should never forget the sacrifices of all freedom fighters such as Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad and millions of other whose names are not even known, but they fought to make India free from a British rule. Because of their sacrifices, struggle and hard work. So we should always respect our freedom. This great day teaches us importance of patriotism or unity irrespective of any differences. महारत पर में वादाकारी नहीं करते, हकीकत बयान करते हैं, मक्कारी नहीं करते. तुम शमशीरें जमा कर लो, बंदूकों की ढेर मिले आओ, हम हौसला रखते हैं, तैयारी नहीं करते. So my dear friends, know the value of freedom, and this is not something of this and once. And we born in independent India, but our freedom fighter didn't, so we should always respect our freedom fighters. Independence Day is not just a celebration of our past, but a reminder of responsibility we carry as citizens of free nations. This year we celebrate under the theme, Nation First, Always First, reflecting our commitment to putting above all else. कुर्बान भी हो जाना इसका के वतन पर, हम दौलत शोहरत की तलबगार नहीं है. कुर्बान भी हो जाना इसका के वतन पर, हम दौलत शोहरत की तलबगार नहीं है. तुम आजादी की तारीख उठाकर देखो, हम लोग वफादार या गद्दार नहीं. As we head the tricolor step, let us remember the values fighters from science and technology, arts and culture. Yet we must always have changes we face and connectivity to overcome them. Let us pledge to uphold the principle of democracy, unity and integrity. आजादी की कभी शान न होने देंगे, शहीदों की कुर्बानियां बदनाम न होने देंगे. बची हो जो एक बूंद भी लहू की, हिंदुस्तान का आंचल हम कभी नीलाम न होने देंगे. थैंक यू. जज़ाकल्लाह. जय हिंद.